take stock of Tech Mahindra because that's bucking the trend on the back of the leadership change. Stock is up nearly 7%. The change is that Tech Mahindra has announced Mohit Joshi from Infosys as the CEO designate of Tech Mahindra for a period of 5 years starting December of 2023, which is when CP Gurnani's term comes to an end. The street likes the fact that the uncertainty has come to an end, and they also like the credentials of Mohit Joshi. He was the president of Infosys. He was handling the BFSI and healthcare sector. He was also in charge. He had executive responsibility of all the large enterprise deals. This appointment by Tech Mahindra also indicates that the company, the management now wants to focus on the non-communications business. Tech Mahindra historically has been associated with communications, but now there appears to be a bit of a change in strategy because Mohit Joshi is a non-communication, non-telecom guy. So that's point number one. And secondly, as I said, the street likes, the pedigree, which has been pedigree of Mohit Joshi. The risk associated with this is that turnarounds take time. Catching up with industry growth rates takes time. It takes 2-3 years. In the near term, there could be some margin dilution as Mohit Joshi decides to make a lot of investments to boost the digital capabilities of Tech Mahindra. For Infosys, it's a bit of a blow because in the last 6 months, they've lost Ravi Kumar, another president to Cognizant, and now they've lost Mohit Joshi to Tech Mahindra. Dilip, your view on Tech Mahindra, and do you see a CEO-led turnaround in this case?
Well, I think this was much awaited and anticipated by the market that we will see a change in the leadership. And I think this leadership change is certainly very favorable for improving the perception further of Tech Mahindra. Without any doubt, I think it's trading pretty cheap. I don't think, if I'm correct, it's just trading around 12 to 13 times FY24. And I think from that perspective, also on a risk-return basis, there is very little downside. Yes, of course, the turnaround by a new CEO will always take time, but I think people are ready to bet behind that. And it's all about future discounting. So I would think that on a risk-return basis, one should buy Tech Mahindra for a period of 12 to 15 months for at least 20 to 25% depreciation from the current levels.
Got that, Dilip. Stay with us. What we'll do is